Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at dividing rational functions. If you've completed the previous videos, rational functions multiplying, and the quadratics videos, then today's lesson will be a lot easier for you. So a little reminder, 15 over 12 divided by 3/4, we go times the reciprocal, and then we can factor it out, and then we start canceling. 3 over 3, 4 over 4, what's left is 5 over 3, like that. So we're going to do the same thing with rational functions. So example 1, divide, simplify, and state restrictions. So we have x minus 1 over x minus 3 divided by x minus 1 over x plus 2. So we're going to go times the reciprocal like that. So this becomes x plus 2 over x minus 1. X minus 1's cancel. What's left is x plus 2 over x minus 3. Now the restrictions, 3 and 1. But also don't forget about the negative 2. So you can see before you go times the reciprocal, this value here can't be 0 as well. So x cannot be negative 2. Okay, b. This function divided by this function here. So we're going to go times the reciprocal like that. We can factor out a 2. So it's 2 times 2x plus 1. X squared minus 9, this is x minus 3 times x plus 3. 2x squared minus 5x minus 3, we're going to factor that. Product negative 6, sum negative 5. Those two numbers are 1 and negative 6. So we rewrite negative 5x as x minus 6x like that. First group plus second group. Factor x from the first one here, factor negative 3 from the second. 2x plus 1 factors from each, and what's left is x minus 3, like that. And so this gets rewritten as x minus 3 times 2x plus 1. So we see x minus 3's cancel, x plus 3's cancel, and 2x plus 1 cancels. So what's left is 1 on the top and 2 on the bottom. And then so we look at our restrictions, 3, negative 3, and then also negative a half from here. Okay, practice number 1. Divide, simplify, and state any restrictions. A, B, C, D. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. A, divided by x minus 4 over x plus 7, so times the reciprocal. X minus 4 is cancel. What's left is x plus 7 over x minus 1. So x cannot be 1, cannot be 4, but also cannot be negative 7 from there. Okay, B, times the reciprocal. Factor out a 2 from there. X minus 2 cancel. What's left is x plus 3 over 2 times x plus 8. Cannot be negative 8, cannot be 2, but also cannot be negative 3. Okay, C, times the reciprocal like that. We're going to factor this out, 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. Product negative 6, sum of 5. Those two numbers is negative 1 and 6. 5x gets rewritten as negative x plus 6x like that. First group plus second group. In common from the first one is x. In common from the second one is 2. 3x minus 1 in common. Factor that out. What remains is x plus 2. So this gets rewritten as 3x minus 1 times x plus 2. So we have 3 and 3 cancels out. What's left is 2. X plus 2 over x plus 2 cancels out. So what's left is 3x minus 1 divided by 2. And x cannot be negative 2 like that. Okay, D, times the reciprocal. We're going to factor this out here, x squared plus x minus 30. Product negative 30, sum of 1. Those two numbers are negative 5 and 6. So we rewrite this as x minus 5 times x plus 6. X plus 6 cancels, x minus 2 cancels. What's left is x minus 5 over 3. X cannot be 2 or negative 6 like that. And that's it. It's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next video.